Hi there, welcome back. I was thinking of making Italian food today. How about Tuscan shrimp pasta? It's a nice creamy one-pot meal. So let's get started. Come on.
Let's start by marinating the shrimp. I'm using jumbo shrimp, but you can use any that is easily available. I have patted them dry with a paper towel. Season them and rub well so that all the seasoning is evenly distributed. I'm using metal skewers, but wooden skewers are also good to use. Thread the shrimp evenly on both the skewers and leave them for a few minutes. You can take as many shrimp as you like. Try to thread as evenly as possible on all the skewers. In the meanwhile, we will go ahead with the mushrooms. Cook the garlic for a few seconds. Don't brown. I'm using baby bella mushrooms, which taste so good. Saute these until wilted. In the meantime, we will grease the grill pan with oil. It's been 5 to 7 minutes. Now we are ready to grill the shrimp. Grill the shrimp on skewers 3 to 4 minutes per side or until cooked through. Grease the pan well so that the shrimp don't stick to it. Now this is such a wonderful and easy recipe. Just drizzle some oil in between. If you want to multitask, start boiling the pasta on one side, start cooking the mushrooms on one side and marinate the shrimp so everything gets done together. Look how awesome this looks. Keep this aside. Let's get back to the mushrooms. Usually white wine is preferred, but you can also use vegetable broth or chicken broth. Deglaze the pan and cook to reduce the quantity by 1/4. Now this looks perfect. Heavy cream will give the dish its final creamy texture. You can add more if you like more sauce. Add all the seasonings and condiments at this stage. These are sun-dried tomatoes. If you can't find them, then you can roast some sliced tomatoes and use them instead. But the sun-dried tomatoes are really what we need here. Simmer until you see small bubbles. Now we are ready to add the baby spinach. We don't need to cook these. Just mix and we are going to add the pasta. Any cooked pasta is okay, but I prefer penne. Give it a good mix and a creamy pasta is almost ready. Toss in some Parmesan cheese and we are good to go. You can add more cheese if you like. Now here our pasta is ready. Let's see how to assemble this dish. Place a good amount of the pasta on the serving dish and gently slide the grilled shrimp over the pasta. As usual, the detailed recipe is in the description box with exact measurements, so do check it out. Garnish with fresh herbs and more cheese if you like. I must tell you that this one is so tempting and I can't wait to have a bite. Hope you like this recipe. Thanks for watching.
If you like the recipe, give it a thumbs up, leave your comments below and don't forget to subscribe. See you next week. Bye.